It's all about the pandemic and high school sports. A lot of districts delayed the fall sports season. Montgomery County just announced it will begin later this month. In Virginia, football players are also getting ready to return to the field, but the cheerleaders won't be there. Tom Dempsey talked to families trying to change that.
When Virginia high school football finally returns in 2 weeks, don't expect to hear chants like these. An executive order signed by Governor Ralph Northam designates those sideline cheerleaders and marching bands as spectators, not participants in the competitions. And with attendance at outdoor games capped at 2 tickets per player, that could mean no flips and cheers for Loudoun Valley High freshman Kaylee Stanton.
It's a lot of fun, especially doing dances with everybody.
The executive order brought plenty of heartbreak and frustration for her mom.
For them to not be called athletes is demeaning.
Kaylee's mom and other parents around the state soon organized this online petition showing support for sideline cheerleaders, with Kaylee's mom even going further.
I've been calling Ralph Northam's office for 2 or 3 weeks. I have sent him over 100 emails.
But in a statement sent to WUSA 9, the governor's office said, quote, schools may choose to limit cheerleader participation to encourage parent attendance, but that is a local decision. While the Virginia High School League said the 2-ticket attendance policy, quote, greatly restricted schools' ability to admit cheerleaders, before writing how the governor's office said there would be no changes to the current order. In the meantime, Kaylee's mother plans to keep calling for change, hoping her daughter and her teammates can once again show their school spirit.
Kids have lost so much. Let's not take away something else.
Tom Dempsey, WUSA 9.